Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning con call. We start with technical and derivatives outlook. So, in yesterday's session, we saw that there was some profit booking mainly within the mid cap and the small cap space. The index was almost down by 4 to 5%. So that was the selling pressure. Why we felt that at the all-time high level, the market has closed on the negative note. But then, if you look at the Nifty chart pattern, it was marginally down by 3 points, and it did register a new all-time high level of 20,110. Then the close was below 20,000 and 19,993. So if I look at the chart pattern, we have seen a range breakout over the few days back, and we should be heading higher, is what I believe. The lower side, 19,800, is the demand zone, and the base is 19,500 and 19,200. So there are multiple supports on the downside. So I don't think there would be very strong correction or reversal from the current level. Slight correction close to 19,800 cannot be ruled out. So if those corrections are witnessed, then I think we should view that as a by individual stock specific buying position. Because in the Nifty, I do believe this expiry can see 20,200, or maybe once that level is taken out, then further upside is possible on the Nifty. So what we believe is the Nifty will be dragged by the heavyweights. So the mid caps and the small cap, which has already performed, might not see the continuation of that outperformance during the current expiry. But then IT sector, which was not moving, may start may start now moving. The pharma space will also, I think, that there should be some contribution. The cement space is also something which is looking good, and the FMCG. So yesterday, for the very first time, we saw that the ITC is forming a base as 450 level. We do have a call in ITC for the 450 call option at the current price. So there are very stock specific trades from the index heavyweights. And eventually, before the fall came, we were extremely bullish on the metals and the PSU bank. So this decline should be viewed as a buying opportunity in that particular sector, is what I believe. And same with the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was down by marginally 60 points. The close was 45,511. So basically, Bank Nifty, we always said that 46,300, 46,500 can be the higher side range, and even the breakout came also at 44,500 level. So this 1,500 point is the range for the Bank Nifty. I think Bank Nifty will take support somewhere close to 45,000 as of now. If those levels are witnessed, then I think stocks, individually stock specific like Axis Bank and IndusInd Bank can be viewed as a buying trade setup. Now coming to the derivatives data, so there was a short built-up in Nifty futures in yesterday's session, close to 1.16%. The put call ratio has dropped from 1.47 to 1.18, and the call writing was seen at 20,000 and 20,100. So this is a resistance support at 19,900 and 19,800. This is the put writing. In bank Nifty futures, there was a long unwinding to the tune of 0.26%. The put call ratio has also declined from 1.39 to 1.06. The call writing was seen as 45,500 and 46,000. So this is the resistance, and put writing was seen as 45,000 and 45,200. So that will act as a support. There are many stocks in the band. Stocks like BAIL, uh, Chambal Fertilizer, Hindustan Copper, India Bull Housing Finance, India Cement, Delta Corp, Manappuram Sale, Nalcon, and IX. So these are the stocks which are in the banned list. Lastly, the FI data. So yesterday when the market was correcting, like Nifty was flat, the FIs in the index picture had created the long position close to 11,000 contract. They are overall net long by 46,000 contract, and the long short ratio now stands at 63%. So FIs are slowly maintaining, keeping their long position in the market. So this should be viewed as a from the positive aspect. So that's a technical view. I'll hand over to Bhavesh sir for more research updates. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, team. So, two updates. First, starting with KEC International. So, yesterday, one of my colleagues met the company, and and the company's order book today stands at 35,000 crores, of which 45% is in from T&D business and 35% from civil. And civil is doing very well, where order inflows has been very strong. Overall, all the other EPC players like even Kalpatru and L&T, the orders will start flowing from next 6 months. That is what they all of them expect. Overall for KC, despite 60% return in the past 6 months, we are still positive on the company. And outlook is healthy. Company expect 15% revenue growth for FY24, and their margins are expected to be in the range of 7 to 8%. Second update on Infosys. So Infosys announced a strategic multi-year collaboration with Stark Group to power its digital transformation journey, leveraging the recently launched Infosys Topaz, a first AI first set of services. So overall, this is positive for the company. That's it from me. Over to you, the retail team.
Good morning, everyone. Continuing with further updates, starting with Wipro. Wipro has completed a transfer of its entire shareholding to Wipro 4C NV to its Wipro IT Services UK Society. With effective at 12 September, both Wipro Holdings and Wipro IT Services are wholly owned subsidiary of the company, while Wipro 4C NCVV operate as a step 4C NV step down subsidiary. This move is a part of the company's broader strategy to streamline and simplify its group structure. Coming with L&T Finance Holding, yesterday we have seen a block in L&T Finance Holding. US-based Bain Capital has sold around 2.82% stake or 70 million shares for 9 and 10 crore through a block deal. Thus, the shares are sold at 130 per share. And Bain Capital had a 4% stake in it, out of which they had sold a 3% stake, so now they are left with only 1%. And Asia Growth Investment and BC Investments VI post stake sale, Bain Capital will hold a 1.2. Bank of Maharashtra on Tuesday plans at the study 1,500 crore to a bond to fund business growth. The sector intends to, the lender intends to raise the funds for private placement basis for the Basel 3 compliant Tier 2 bond. The issue size is 250 crore with a green shoe option of 1250 crore added. The tenure of bond is to be 10 years. Next update would be Coal India plans to invest around 24,750 crore in capital expenditure to build 61st mile to boost eco-friendly coal transportation. Last update will be Bank of Baroda to target is 25% YY growth in retail loan book. The lender is going to give a 80 bps discount on personal loan and home loan, adding an 8.4% for this festive season. So that's it from mine. I'll hand over to Prabhakar sir for more updates.
Thank you. Good morning, team. Tata Power Solar System and SIDBI have signed a MOU to offer easy financing to MSME for solar adoption, which is very positive for Tata Power and even for MSME because they get easy finance for their solar thing. KAC International has secured order worth 1,012 crores across various business in its civil and transmission and distribution and cable segment. There is one important news, which is for e-way bill. The highest ever e-way bill has been generated in the month of August. So, normally, in month of September, the GST collection will be very high. So, it is an all-time high, which is 9.34 crores of e-way billing. Previous highest was 9.09 crores in March. So, the percentage which is higher is very high. So, I think it is going to be very positive. Even IAP data has come very good. So, festival season demand is picking up. So, in the last 3-4 years, comparatively, this year, the festival season mood is very good. Now, so we are out of COVID and destocking is also over. So, we expect the result season to be positive on few accounts. Now, maybe textile companies can do very good. Godfrey shareholders reject proposal to sell unmanufactured tobacco to Philip Morris, South Africa, up to 1,000 crores. So again, shareholder activism, it is at the peak. So now normal shareholders could reject the company's proposal as something positive. IRCTC and NBCC has signed a MOU with NBCC services for upcoming office space at World Trade Center, Delhi. The value is 31.4 crore. The order book goes to NBCC. Ajmera Reality secures redevelopment project for 4 society at Yogi Nagar, Borivali. The sales can be almost 330 crores, 107,000 square feet. Century Textile, they have a unit called Brilla Estate. They've announced the launch of real estate project in North Bengaluru with a revenue potential of 3,000 crores. This was a land which they bought in May 2023. It is a 28.6 acre land parcel. So no, that is going to be handy for them. Today, Bengaluru market is the happening real estate market in India. They have the highest rentals per square feet. So it has overtaken Mumbai and other parts of India. So demand is very high in Bengaluru. So Century Textile will get benefit out of it. Philip Carbon PCBL has informed commercial production of carbon black final phase of 84,000 metric ton per annum of greenfield project in Tamil Nadu has been completed. So and it has been successfully commissioned, and now the commercial production will start. With this, the Tamil Nadu project will be 147,000 metric ton per annum. It is a total greenfield project, which is very positive for Philip Carbon. We even like graphite. Now, as economy is starting to pick up, I think graphite and Philip Carbon are two stocks to watch. Chola Finance will soon rise 2,000 crores in QIB. Base price will be 1,140 rupees per share. I think this week it will happen. DMart has opened a new store in Perungudi, Tamil Nadu. So the total store count has gone to 334 stores. Axis, Cade, and Cantier joined force to announce strategic transformation, Industry 4 partnership. So the Cantier is a Singapore-based company. It is a powerhouse in manufacturing execution system, which is called MES. So this is very positive for Axis Cade. NTPC has completed trial operation of Unit 1 800 megawatt of Telangana super thermal power project, which is 2 into 800 megawatt. With this, NTPC's total capacity, standalone capacity, will be 57,838 megawatt, and the group capacity will be 73,824 megawatt. So, this is positive for NTPC. Now, we have seen mid-cap stock correcting. There were a lot of rumors in the market, but mid-cap stocks have run up too fast, especially in defense, in few segments, where the rally has been very sharp. The correction is wanted, but there are pockets of value. There are stocks, which will recover fast. So you have to be stock specific and sector specific. I expect the rally to continue till Diwali. So there will be odd correction. Bull market correction are always sharp, and recovery is also in a V shape. So you have to be in the right stock at the right time. That is more important. Blue Dart and TCPL are two stocks, which were showing strength. And IT as a sector is coming back. So LTI, Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS. So IT is one segment to watch out for. So be stock specific. And life insurance will again come back. So we like HDFC Life, SBI Life, ICICI Pru Life. Now any correction would be an opportunity to buy. So correction is always a welcome correction. It always removes excesses. So if you are in a quality stock, please do not be fearful. But if you are in a be fearful, because any correction can be 15-20%. At this level, we defense PSUs, and there are many other PSUs like railway PSUs. They can be very volatile. Now let the stock stabilize. All defense PSUs are trading at 40-50 times trailing PE, which is very expensive. Now they were trading, when we started to recommend, they were trading at 8 to 10 times. Today they are 40 times, 50 times. No, BDL trades at 50 P. No, Cochin Shipyard, Musgon Dock, average 40 P they trade, and they are not worth. Even BHEL trades at 85 times. No, a company which is very inconsistent in their reporting of profit. No, this is not sustainable. So one has to be very careful in their stock selection. With that, over to you, team. Thank you.
या थैंक यू सर एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के हिंदी अपडेट्स के साथ। फर्स्टली टाटा पावर जो है उन्होंने सोलार के साथ एक एमओयू साइन किया है। उसके बाद अगर ईवे बिल्स की बात करें तो इस बार हाईएस्ट एवर ईवे ईवे बिल्स जनरेट हुए थे स्पेसिफिकली इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त। तो इसका डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट जो है वो देखने मिल सकता है सितंबर मंथ की जीएसटी कलेक्शन पे। जीएसटी कलेक्शन जो है काफी हाई हो सकता है इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर। फेस्टिवल सीजन अभी चल रहा है तो ओवरऑल मूड जो है वो काफी पॉजिटिव है इस साल। ओवरऑल ईयर की भी बात करें तो बिकॉज लॉकडाउन अभी ऑफिशियली खत्म हो गया, सो इसका एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट रहेगा मार्केट एंड बिजनेसेस पे। रिजल्ट सीजन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जो है आने वाला जो रिजल्ट सीजन है वो काफी अच्छा हो सकता है। काफी सारी कंपनीज है जो अच्छे रिजल्ट्स प्रेजेंट कर सकती है। स्पेसिफिकली टेक्सटाइल कंपनीज जो है वहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव आउटलुक रखा जा सकता है इस क्वार्टर के लिए। आईआरसीटीसी एंड एनबीसीसी ने एक एमओयू साइन किया है फॉर ओपनिंग अ न्यू ऑफिस स्पेस एट वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर दिल्ली। सो इसका एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है आईआरसीटीसी के स्टॉक पे। सेंचुरी टेक्सटाइल की अगर बात करें तो इन्होंने एक रियल एस्टेट का लॉन्च अनाउंस किया है बेंगलुरु में। ओवरऑल जो लैंड है इनकी जो इन्होंने 2023 में एक्वायर की थी वो 28.6 एकर्स की है। इसके अलावा फिलिप कार्बन और ग्राफाइट जैसे जो स्टॉक्स है यहाँ पे थोड़ी नजर रखी जा सकती है बिकॉज जैसे इकोनॉमी पिकअप हो रही है तो ये सेक्टर में जो स्टॉक्स है वहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव आउटलुक बन रहा है। डीमार्ट की अगर बात करें तो डीमार्ट ने तमिलनाडु में एक नया स्टोर ओपन किया है एंड उसी के साथ जो इनके टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टोर्स है वो हो गए 334। मार्केट की अगर बात करें तो मिड कैप स्टॉक्स सिंस एक बहुत बड़ी रैली मिड कैप स्टॉक्स में देखने मिली थी स्पेसिफिकली कुछ सेगमेंट जैसे डिफेंस सेगमेंट में। तो यहाँ से सिंस मार्केट टॉप आउट हो रहा है तो एक करेक्शन भी एक्सपेक्ट किया जा सकता है। बट एट द सेम टाइम कोई भी करेक्शन आता है तो क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स में ये एक बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी के तौर पे देखा जा सकता है। रिकवरी जो होगी करेक्शन के बाद वो भी बहुत फास्ट एक्सपेक्टेड है। ओवरऑल ये जो पॉजिटिव मोमेंटम मार्केट में है ये दिवाली तक जो है कंटिन्यूड रहेगा ऐसा एक्सपेक्टेशन है। सेक्टर्स की अगर बात करें तो आईटी और लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कुछ ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जहाँ पे नजर रखी जा सकती है। यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग आउटलुक बन रहा है आने वाले कुछ दिनों के लिए। एट द सेम टाइम कुछ ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा बाइंग आ गई है स्पेसिफिकली डिफेंस एंड पीएसयूज। अगर रेलवे स्टॉक्स की बात करें तो बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स जो है यहाँ पे 40-50 पे ट्रेड कर रहे हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा हाई है। तो यहाँ पे स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक रहना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है रादर देन जंपिंग इनटू एनी स्टॉक। तो स्पेसिफिकली इस टाइम पे डिफेंस एंड रेलवे पीएसयू को अवॉइड करने का रिकमेंडेशन होगा। एंड ओवरऑल पॉजिटिविटी देखी जा सकती है बट स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक रहना एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होगी। कुछ स्टॉक अपडेट्स की अगर बात करें तो इन्फोसिस के बारे में एक स्टॉक अपडेट है जहाँ पे कंपनी ने एक स्ट्रेटेजिक मल्टी ईयर कोलैबोरेशन अनाउंस किया है स्टार्क के साथ। स्टार्क ग्रुप जो है टू पावर द डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जर्नी लेवरेजिंग द रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड इन्फोसिस टोपेस। केईसी इंटरनेशनल की बात करें तो केईसी इंटरनेशनल ने नए ऑर्डर्स सिक्योर किए हैं वर्थ ₹10 बिलियन अक्रॉस इट्स वेरियस बिजनेसेस। इसी के साथ कुछ और अपडेट्स की अगर बात करें तो L&T फाइनेंशियल होल्डिंग्स के शेयर जो है वो उसमें कल एक 3% की गिरावट देखने मिली। अभी जो है शेयर ₹126.80 पे ट्रेड कर रहा है। ये ओवरऑल फॉल जो था ये इस वजह से था क्योंकि यूएस बेस्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट फर्म जो बेन कैपिटल है उन्होंने 2.82% स्टेक और 70 मिलियन शेयर्स जो है कंपनी के वो सेल किए हैं फॉर ₹910 करोड़ थ्रू ए ब्लॉक डील। बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा की अगर बात करें तो बैंक जो है वो 25% ईयर ऑन ईयर ग्रोथ टारगेट कर रही है अपने रिटेल लोन बुक में। ये जो बैंक है वो ओवरऑल एक डिस्काउंट अप टू 80 बेसिस पॉइंट्स ऑफर करने प्लान कर रही है ऑन पर्सनल लोन्स एंड होम लोन्स विच वुड बी स्टार्टिंग एट 8.4% दिस फेस्टिव सीजन। इसी के साथ अगर मार्केट के कुछ अपडेट्स ले तो कल के सेशन में हमने थोड़ी सी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आते दिखी। जैसे ही निफ्टी ने एक नया ऑल टाइम हाई बनाया, वहां से एक इंट्राडे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सेलिंग प्रेशर बनते हुए दिखा था। बट ओवरऑल ये एक रनिंग करेक्शन है जो एक्सपेक्टेड था ऑल टाइम हाई लेवल से। हमारा व्यू जो है अभी भी मार्केट पे पॉजिटिव है। करेक्शन अगर थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड होता भी है तो 19,800 एक इम्पोर्टेंट सपोर्ट रहेगा ऑन द डाउन साइड। जबकि रेजिस्टेंस की अगर बात करें तो 20,200 एक रेजिस्टेंस के तौर पे एक्ट कर सकता है। सो अभी के लिए निफ्टी के लिए 400 पॉइंट का रेंज बन रहा है। बैंक निफ्टी अगर बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी जो है अभी भी 44,500 से लेके 46,000 के रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है। बट कोई भी डिक्लाइन अगर आता है बैंक निफ्टी में या बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स में, क्वालिटी बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स में, तो वहां पे लॉन्ग पोजीशन ऐड कर सकते हैं। कुछ स्टॉक्स जिस पे आज के सेशन में नजर रखी जा सकती है वो है ब्लू डार्ट, ग्रासिम, केएनआर कंस्ट्रक्शंस, एलएनटी एंड टीसीएस। एफआईआईज एंड डीआईएस डेटा की अगर बात करें तो कल के सेशन में एफआईआईज ने 1047.19 करोड़ की सेलिंग की थी, जबकि डीआईएस ने 259.49 करोड़ की बाइंग की है। फ्यूचर्स डेटा पे अगर नजर डाले तो कुछ स्टॉक्स जहां पे लॉन्ग बिल्डअप देखने मिला है कल के सेशन में वो है एलएनटी, सन फार्मा एंड इन्फोसिस। जबकि कुछ स्टॉक्स जहां पे शॉर्ट बिल्डअप देखने मिला था वो है पावर ग्रिड, एचयूएल एंड बीपीसीएल। So this was all from our end. Thank you for attending the morning con call. Have a good day.